If you click the left sidebar where it says index.html, you will see a new blank space that you can type into. This is the space where you will be creating your own personal website. The computer reads an HTML file like we might read a sentence, looking for capital letters and periods and other pieces of information that tell us where we are on a page. There are 5 important elements of an HTML file that you should always include. The first is the Doctype Declaration. Anytime you write an HTML file, you will use !Doctype space HTML. The Doctype Declaration lets the computer know that it is about to start reading some HTML. After we've typed the Doctype Declaration, then we need to make the container for our HTML, which is called the HTML element. We begin the HTML element with an opening tag, a less than sign, the letters HTML, and then a greater than sign. This is the opening HTML tag. While we're at it, let's just go ahead and close our HTML element by typing the same tag with one difference: a slash in front of the letters HTML. Anytime we want to close an element, we will use a slash in front of the same letters that we used for the opening tag. Now, if the computer reads our HTML file, it will see, oh, I'm reading some HTML, and then, oh, there's the HTML. Now that we've created our HTML container, let's give the computer some information about our HTML file. We do this by creating a head element. Remember, whenever we create an element, we want to create both an opening and a closing tag. The head element contains the title element, which we can put on the same line. The title element has an opening and a closing title tag. When we put in our title information, my personal website, then we can give our HTML file a title. Any additional information about the website that the computer should read should go inside of the head element. The title element only contains the title. The final essential element of an HTML file is the body element, which we can open and close using a less than sign, the letters BODY, and a greater than sign, and of course the closing tag looks exactly like the body opening tag, just with a slash in front of body. Here is where we're going to put all of our words, images, and information that will be displayed to the person who's viewing the website. So whatever you want to be on your website for the reader to see should be in the body element, enclosed in the body tags. A few final notes. 1. The head, title, and body tags always go inside of the HTML tags. Number 2. The title tags always go inside of the head tags. And number 3, just so you remember the opening and closing tags every time, always write the opening and closing tags together and then fill them with things. If you do these 3 things, then almost always you'll be able to structure an HTML file to design a functioning website.